Ready for the dictation? Start. Respondent number 2, by name Arjun, accused, was known to the minor victim for about 6 months prior to the incident. Stop. As per the statement of the minor victim, respondent number 2 repeatedly established physical relations with her by threatening her and pointing a locally made firearm katta at her. Stop. It is further stated that along with respondent number 2, his friends, namely Goldie, Amit, Rupak, Vedansh, used to abuse and molest the minor victim and also attempted to establish physical relations with her. Stop. On 1/12/2024 at around 5:30 p.m., when the minor victim was walking near her residence, the accused persons Arjun and Amit abducted her on their motorcycle, again molested her and ultimately abandoned her at Barrot bus stand, from where she contacted her uncle using a stranger's mobile phone. Stop. Thereafter, the minor victim narrated the entire incident, including the sexual assault committed by the accused persons over the past 6 months to her family members. Stop. Immediately, the family members of the minor victim rushed to the police station to lodge a complaint. Stop. However, the police failed to register the FIR on 1/12/2024 and instead advised the minor victim and her family members to compromise and settle the matter with the accused persons. Stop. Ultimately, FIR number 426/2024 came to be registered on 2/12/2024 under section